you're new to my channel, please check out all my other videos, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it when I post another video. Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you what chlorine production looks like. And this is a clear, power clean salt cell, and if you have one and you do not see those clouds, then it's not producing. There's either low salt or there's a problem with the system. That's what you're going to be looking for, and that is actually chlorine gas being produced. So this is chlorine production, and this is a salt chlorine generator. It's a power clean, and they work really good. If you do not see that, I'm going to turn it off. See how it disappears? I'm going to turn it back on. There's going to be a little bit of a delay. But if you do not see the clouds of chlorine gas, there it is right there, it just started back, then you know it's not working and there is a problem. Most of the time it's going to be low salt. So make sure your salt level is good, make sure your stabilizer levels are good. Just wanted to show you this, it's pretty neat. I definitely recommend this kind because you can see what's going on in the salt cell. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.